In this tutorial, we are going to see how to calculate a staff salary. On the staff tab here, we have two panels. We go for staff salaries here, and you click on salary calculation. This form shall pop up, and staff details are here. As usual, to view their details, you click in one. The details of the staff shall be filled in here automatically, and the photo of the staff. Here we select the date. We want the date on which we are processing the salary. This is an auto-generated number for the payment number. Here, this is the button we click to calculate the salary, and we save the payslip. We clear the fields. We can close the form from here, or we can get help from here. Now, when you select or when you click in one row to get a staff information, calculations shall be based on the staff salary, on the gross salary here. Here, we calculate the employer's social security fund percentage contribution. What percentage does the employer contribute to the staff or to the employee's social security fund? In this case, it's 10%, which is 0.1. This field you can put in any figure according to your country where you are. Here, this field is for the percentage that is deducted from the employee's gross salary here. What is the amount? What's the percentage? In this case, it is 5%, and it is 0.05. Excuse me. This side here, we have income tax calculations here. Income calculations here will refer to an income, I mean a tax you pay, or the tax that an employee pays on any chargeable income. Income or taxes are based or are paid in levels. In this case here, we have 4 levels. Level 1 is for unchargeable income. In this case, this amount. If somebody earns up to this person will not be charged any income here. Here, nothing shall be charged. This is unchargeable income. Level 2 is amount charged on any salary above but not exceeding, above the first level but not exceeding this level. There is a chargeable amount will be indicated here automatically. The salary shall be indicated here. The chargeable amount shall be automatically calculated here, and the chargeable income, the percentage that is charged here, to give you a total here. And according to the levels, you find that there is a constant figure that is to be paid will be indicated here, and the total shall be put here. And a third level is amount not exceeding this, but it is above this, so also to be indicated here. These ones vary from one country to another, so you can use that is appropriate to your country. At the last level is amount exceeding this amount in this text box here. It is the last one, but everything shall be computed automatically, assuming that you've put the right percentage of employers' contribution to a staff salary, and the staff, how much that is deducted, what percentage of money is deducted from his or her income, her salary on a monthly basis, because these are deducted monthly. These employee salary levels, they vary from country to country, so you should put what's appropriate to your country. The same applies to the rate that is applied to a chargeable income here, because you get this times the rate to get a subtotal here, and this subtotal shall be added to a constant figure here to get the total tax that is deducted on your salary. The same way here it applies. These rates, they vary from country to country, so, and the constants as well, they vary from country to country, or from period of time to another, they are changed. So you have to be updated with your revenue issues in your country or in your area where you are operating, such that you put in right figures. They can be edited, you can change them wherever you are calculating salaries. So the total of the income here shall automatically be calculated and be transferred to this field here, down here. The same way, employers' social security fund will be put here automatically to be calculated. This gross figure times this employees shall be put here. This gross salary times this shall be put here, down here, employer up employee, and the summation of these two figures shall be indicated in the total social security fund contribution here. I have said total income tax here shall be any figure that shall be calculated from this as your total income, either here or here or here, depending on these fields how they have been filled here. Let's give it a try. Suppose we want to calculate from Mary Wells Anderson. When you click and these fields are populated with the data, and you select the date, you just click calculate salary here like this. It will show you that this salary follows under this level 4 with a tick, and this is the chargeable income. This is the salary level, this is the chargeable income, charged at this rate to get a total of this, plus a constant to come up with this total. This total has been automatically put here. The same way, the employee contribution, which is 0.05 times this, is computed already and filled here. The same way, employer's social security fund percentage contribution, which is 10% of the staff salary, has been put here. When we sum this and sum this figure, we come up with this. When we sum this and this, we get the total deductions. From there, you can see that the actual net salary a staff will get is this figure down here. In case there is any deduction that needs to be done, should be entered here manually, other than these two statutory deductions here. So when that is done well, you can say save payslip on this button. You click save payslip, saved successfully. And because it's paying out money from the microfinance or from your organization, it is a payment transaction. From there, automatically a payslip shall be generated. This payslip will be for printing as a proof that salary has been paid out to a staff. From here you can increase and see how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks, and it will give all the details, the gross, the social security fund that has been paid for employee, employer, total, and the monthly, and it has been also shown in words for clarity, and the space for signature is included. So this is how a payslip looks like, and you print it as usual from the print icon up here. You look for your printers installed on your computer, and you select any you want to use for printing, and you print from here. That's all. Else you can as well save it as an Excel document, or a PDF, or a Word document. You are free to save it in one of the three formats if you want for further reference, or if you don't want to print it right now, you can save it as a PDF. I recommend using PDF, and you print it later. Let's close here. Okay, so that's how a salary is calculated. You just enter the figure here, and according to your country you enter these parameters, enter the salary levels, how they are categorized in your country, and the rates. Your revenue authorities in your country should be able to provide you with this information, and they fill them inside as you calculate. Let's also try to this gentleman, John Mark Stewart. You can as well, because it is already populated, just say calculate. It will do the same to enter all the information for you, and then you just say save. That's all, and it will come. A payslip will pop up automatically to be generated for you. Yeah, you can also maximize it here. You look at it, all the information. That's how we go about salary calculation. You can as well print it for further reference, as I said before, from here. Okay, so that's how we calculate our salaries, and everything is fine. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.